Hi, I'm Kelly Silva and I teach AP Chemistry. I enjoy the fact that I can see how matter interacts with other matter and how things are put together in that way. I also enjoy the fact that there's a lot of math involved, so I can use my math skills and my science knowledge together. If you're going to be in science as a major, at some point, most likely you're going to have to take general chemistry. And general chemistry, as a rule at college or university, has an average grade of a D minus F plus, because they use it as a weeding out course because everybody wants to be an engineer or a doctor, so they see whether or not you can handle it by entering into general chemistry. So that's always a bonus that you have already had that background, but with support here at Ramona. If you're not going to be in science, it's still a good course to take because you can get out of science when you go to college if you have gotten a passing grade on that AP exam at the end of the year. So you can get out of science then, as opposed to having to take it when you get to college. It's a college course, so there are some college expectations. You have homework every night, but you've got 2 nights to complete it so that you can get your questions answered the next day. And we also have labs. There are 18 labs that we have to do, and they are college level labs. So they take anywhere from an hour to 3 hours to complete, and since it's in a school day, it kind of doesn't work so well in class. So we get together after school, and there's usually 2 to 3 days every week or on the weekend that students can choose from to come in and do the lab. And the lab is a little bit more intense than you have for a first year because we're working with equipment that college students use instead of high school students. So it's a little bit more advanced and a little bit more technical. It's about 45 minutes worth of time on any given night to study or to do the homework to get ready for the next day. And like I said, there's 18 different labs where we'll be doing it a little bit more intense after school. So you're talking about 1 to 3 hours after school every so often. The work commitment, just having that ability to sit down and do some work and to work collaboratively, because we do that a lot within AP Chemistry. We work with our partners in the classroom, whether it be in lab or working on a particular problem, practicing a new skill. So there's a lot of collaboration going on within it. So that does help. But having the work ethic too, when you step outside the door, that you're going to continue and work a little bit more outside of class time. That's about it.